In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a group in WhatsApp community. This will help you organize your chats and prioritize the ones that matters the most. Now, open WhatsApp. And once WhatsApp is open, you want to go to the community tab. If you already have access to the communities on your chat screen, you can simply just open the community. And once the community is opened, within the community, you'll be able to archive chats that you can always return back to. Now, what you want to do is tap and hold down on the group, and you see archive chats. Tap on this and the chat will be archived. You can do this for as many groups within the community. Once you've selected all the groups you want to archive, you can always access groups that you've archived later on in the archive section, which is usually at the top of your chats. Tap on this and you see your recent archives. You can unarchive them by tapping and holding down. Select as many as you want and you'll see the unarchive button at the top. Tap on this and this will restore back your groups. I hope this guide is able to help you to archive a group in a WhatsApp community. If you do find this guide helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.